The sun is setting on Mauna Kea, Hawaii. The giant dome of the Keck Observatory opens. Its 33-foot wide mirror turns toward the heavens. Jeff Marcy is one of the world's foremost planet hunters. He is using the Keck telescope to hunt for planets in solar systems beyond our own.
Well, when you look up into the night sky, you see all the thousands of twinkling lights. Those are stars like our sun.
Planet hunters like Marcy think that many of these stars could have their very own planets. But finding them is another question.
Your mission as a planet hunter is to find that needle in the haystack.
Telescopes only made a breakthrough as recently as 1995. They recorded a perfectly ordinary star wobbling minutely. There was some gravitational pull on the star, evidence of a planet they couldn't see orbiting around it. Exoplanet 51 Pegasi b.
The discovery of the first planet around a normal star, around 51 Pegasi, was an extremely profound moment for humanity. We now know, as a species, that there are other worlds out there.
Since then, teams of astronomers across the world have found evidence for more than 400 other exoplanets. But most of the planets discovered so far are gas giants the size of Jupiter, orbiting far too close to their suns to support life. And a planet that can support life is what the planet hunters are really after.
What we'd love to know is whether there are other Earths, habitable worlds out there, whether they are lukewarm with liquid water, having the vibrancy, the conditions suitable for life, and perhaps even intelligent life.
Looking for small rocky planets like Earth is a whole new ballgame. Cue a brand new NASA space telescope called Kepler.
And liftoff of the Delta II rocket with Kepler on a search for planets in some way like our own.
Kepler's 3-year mission is to find planets the size of our Earth orbiting other stars.
Vehicle's now going supersonic.
I think Kepler is going to go down in the history books as one of the greatest telescopes ever in the history of humanity.
Kepler's mission is to collect light from a field of 100,000 stars inside our Milky Way, looking for clues to other worlds. As the dust cover falls away, it begins measuring the starlight.
All that happens is you watch the star, and Earth happens to orbit in front of the star. It blocks a tiny fraction of the starlight on its way, and when it blocks that light, the star dims a tiny amount.
Kepler has already discovered several new exoplanets. It hasn't found an Earth-like planet yet, but astronomers believe it is only a matter of time.
I believe in the next few years we will have the first detections of Earth-like planets, places that you might indeed want to call home.
Though Kepler is looking at 100,000 stars, this is only a tiny patch of the sky. There are hundreds of billions more stars out there to search.
The hunt for exoplanets requires that we look at hundreds of thousands of stars.
So planet hunter David Charbonneau uses more down-to-earth technology.
The revolution has been to use Hubble telescopes to study the closest stars.
Using small robotic telescopes, he scans 2,000 stars that are far less bright than our own sun. This makes it easier to spot a small planet passing in front of it. And he has discovered a planet only 2.7 times the size of our Earth, a super-Earth. Importantly, it appears to be covered in water and have an atmosphere. At 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it is still too hot to inhabit, but it's a tantalizing glimpse of what is out there.
If we can succeed in finding habitable worlds, then that would have implications far beyond mere astronomy.
In a bid to find habitable planets, the professional astronomers are getting a little bit of help on the side.
Amateur astronomers are central to our understanding of planets orbiting other stars. The amateur astronomers are stationed, of course, all over the world. They have telescopes which are certainly large enough to conduct a survey.
Ron Bissinger is one such astronomer. He is following in the footsteps of William Herschel and his discovery of Uranus.
When I come up here every night and open that thing up, fire up the telescope, fire up the computer, I know the target star I'm going to look at. Everything is mine. That's my world alone. I may, for that night, be the only human being looking at that star.
He has a telescope advanced enough to help out the professionals.
Professional observatories cannot spend the time staring at one star night after night after night, but we can.
He too waits for the telltale dimming of a star's light, just one star at a time.
To find a world out there that no one's ever known of or seen or detected before, from your own backyard, a person who is not a career scientist. I don't know of any other scientific endeavor where somebody like me or so many other amateurs can do that kind of thing.
Bissinger's patience has paid off. He has already discovered several large exoplanets of his own, though all are too close to their suns to support life. Like all known exoplanets, they orbit stars within our galaxy. We know today that this is a vast collection of stars in which our Sun, Earth, and solar system also reside.